In this video, you'll learn how to build websites using Kimi AI. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to create a website effortlessly with the assistance of artificial intelligence. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Kimi AI in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Kimi AI interface, which features a clean design aimed at simplifying the website creation process. Next, locate the prompt area on the Kimi AI dashboard. This section is typically positioned prominently on the main screen. Click on the designated text box to activate it, allowing you to enter your command for the AI. Type in the phrase "build a website" into the prompt box. Make sure to check your spelling, as accuracy is essential for the AI to understand your request. After entering the command, you will notice the text appears clearly in the input area, confirming that your input has been registered. After entering your command, click the Enter button to submit your request. This button is usually located adjacent to the prompt box. Once you click it, the interface will respond by indicating that your request is being processed, often displayed through an animated loading icon or a similar visual cue. Now, you will need to wait for Kimi AI to generate your website. The duration of this process may vary depending on the complexity of your request and the current workload of the AI. During this time, it is advisable to remain patient as the system works to create a tailored website based on your input. Keep an eye on the screen for the completion of the generation process. Once the website has been generated, you will see a preview of the site on your screen. This preview will allow you to review the design and features created by Kimi AI. At this stage, you can explore various options for customization or directly proceed to publish your website, depending on your requirements. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.